let me show you how you can enhance your product descriptions in Shopify. Stick around to find out. Hi, my name is Arshia Kahani, and today I'm going to show you how you can enhance your product descriptions within Shopify with our brand new Shopify integration within FlowHunt. So, if we were to go to our dashboard, so first thing first, we want to actually integrate Shopify into our FlowHunt. So this is what you're greeted with normally when you open up FlowHunt. So you can make your way over to the integrations tab and then scroll all the way down here to find Shopify. Next up, we can click on integrate and then connect Shopify store. Now we will be greeted by this Shopify App Store page where you can see FlowHunt here, and you have to install it within your store. So once you click on that install, you're going to be moved over to your Shopify dashboard and you will be prompted to the button install. So you can click on that and then you should automatically be returned to FlowHunt. And the way that would look is that your Shopify was integrated and it's going to say Shopify successfully integrated, and then you should see this little blue integrated text down here. So for our product description generator enhancer, we can go to the category section in the Flow library. You can scroll all the way down and find Shopify. And once we're in Shopify, one of these flows should be the Shopify product description enhancer. So we can simply click on Add to My Flows, and the new canvas page will be automatically loaded, and it will look something like this. Now, yours is not going to have the MCP server, which I'm going to talk about in a little bit. So normally, this is just a flow, one single agent connected to the Shopify Get Products component, which is pretty simple. It just gathers all the products and all the product information from your page. Now, in my store, I only have one product, which is the iPhone 16. So if I were to say, let's actually show the progress of the agent so that we can see which tools it's using. And if I were to say iPhone 16 like this, like so, I wouldn't need to say anything. As you can see in the welcome message, the agent is done in a way where it says, okay, hello, how can I help you? Welcome to the Shopify product description enhancer. Paste a product name or URL. So all you need to do is either give the product name or the URL for that specific product to this chatbot. It'll automatically gather all the information from the product, like the description, the price, everything. And then it's going to be able to enhance it for you. So make it a little nicer, a bit more well formatted. So as you can see, the first thing that the agent did was to access our new component, Shopify Product Search Tool. And it gathered all the information, and then it went to our URL, and then it gathered this nice little description for us. So based on the product description that was already there in our website, it created a new one for us so that we can just copy and paste it into our store page. Now, if you want to take things one step further, that's where this MCP client comes into play. So you can go to your components and then you can simply search for MCP and you can drag and drop it into your flow. I already have it down here before I started the video, so we already have it here, and then you can connect it to your AI agent. Now, this will allow you to actually update it without needing to copy and pasting it. So normally, once I got this new description, I would just copy this text and then come over here, click on find the product, click on the product, and then go to descriptions and edit the description there. But now with this MCP server, we can go to the edit servers part, new FlowHunt MCP. So let's get Shopify 2 since I already have one, and let's search for Shopify down here. So you can see it's integrated already, so we can click on it. And since we are updating our product information, we need to look for that. So this is get products, get products, get products, get products, create product, and then update product. So it says update an existing product's information. So we can add MCP server, and then we can select it here. Save. So the MCP server with the Shopify update product tool has been added to our AI agent. And then at the very bottom of the goal for this AI agent, we can specify After enhancing the product description, automatically update the description for that product using the MCP server at your disposal. I am also going to give a new tool. So let's go back to our Shopify here. Let's actually do get products as well, just in case the LLM forgets that which product we were talking about. So let's try this again. Let's do iPhone 16. And now the difference is that once the product description is actually enhanced, it's going to automatically update it for us as well. So let's see how that's going to work out for us. So at the moment, this is what it looks like. iPhone 16 is color black, white, pink, teal, ultramarine. So let's go back out here and wait for the update to take place. So I will actually update you once this is done. So as you can see, it actually did the exact same things it was doing before, but then at the very last step, it used the Shopify update product tool within the MCP server. And now if we go back to our iPhone 16 here, it should be changed. So it gave us a much longer and nicer description for this specific product. So yeah, this is a really nice flow that you can use within your Shopify. So if you have any questions about this flow or how you can use these MCP servers, we've already made a video of this previously. But if you have any further questions, make sure to leave it in the comment section down below. And I hope you enjoyed this video.